I've actually got to defend my Native American tribal honor. You know, my tribe's name is on the line here. So to prove to you guys, I went out and got one of those ancestry tests done. You know, they
send you this little white box. You open it up and you do your business in it.
I mean, it seemed like it'd be an easier way to do that, but anyway, and I definitely would hate to be the technician that's got to do my DNA sample on that one, because the day that I did it was actually Taco Tuesday. So we had, I won't even go into it. Let's just say it was soft. But anyway, I've got the results back. I'm going to show you a little later in the video absolute proof of exactly what I thought and what verified. I mean, if the tomahawk throw wasn't enough, stick around. I'm going to show you something. It's going to be definitive proof. I'm going to show you, Ryan. You're going to have to rethink that name. That's not nice. This creek is the spot that I actually noodled a smallmouth. The first ever smallmouth. I'm probably the first one ever in history that's ever done it. I probably should be in Guinness World Book of Records or something for doing that, but I don't know. I have to check into it, but this is the spot. All right, let's keep going. I'm loving it. Just in time. Here we go. Right there. Uh-oh, look at Chris. He's into this. Oh, yep. Yuck. All right, Chris, I know you're probably missing this part. You'd love to be in here walling around in this stuff. Quickly. Oh, Chris, don't fall. I'm sorry. It won't come in. There we go. I got him. Whatever it is. Let's see. I got him. Got him. All right. Hang on, buddy. Hang on. All right. Little fat guy. Looking healthy. Get on, buddy. Nice. There's one here, so we're going to fish. He's healthy. He was healthy looking. Man, they're just so slow to bite. It's just so crazy how long it takes them to finally decide to go ahead and commit. I lost it. It picked it up and dropped it. There, it comes back. I got him that time. This is better. Good fish. Come here, baby. All right. Go. All right. Very nice. All right. Getting up a little bigger. All right. Let's let you go, buddy. Let's let you go, buddy. Get on in there. Oh. There we go. We're in the spot, man. I'm just gonna stay right here for a second. There's a bite. You have it? All right, good fish. Feels like a pretty good fish. Good fish, good fish. Come here, come here, buddy. Come here, come here. Come here, buddy. Yep, decent fish. All right, guys, update. Today's going pretty good so far. We're at 10 fish. I've never fished this creek in winter, so this is a whole new spot. I'm wanting to test new areas all winter because if I just go fish one area over and over and over, I don't think I'm really learning, and I don't feel like I can provide you guys accurate information on what I think is working, that you might be able to take that same information and apply it to your winter creek fishing. I knew today was going to be tough, starting out at 24 degrees. We had a 40-degree temperature swing, and we've had a lot of rain this week, so that forced me to fish a shallower creek. I really didn't think I was going to catch anything. Walked 3 hours before I got my first fish. I was just kind of, and then all of a sudden hooked into a 16-inch creek smallie. Thank you, Lord. Oh man, that turned my day around. Hey, till next time, grab your poles, call your buddies, get them, make some, give us an elbow. Woo! I love you guys. Be safe. Hey, we'll see you on the next episode. Wait, oh, that's right, that's right. I told you I was going to share my results for my ancestry.com. Got something that pretty much is definitive proof of my Native American heritage. I knew it was already there. Like I said, I just always felt like I need to be carrying a tomahawk anyway. I'm going to leave you with this.
The hollers catch me if you can, runs up over.
Right? You can't deny that's Chief Crazy Beard right there. I mean, I'm a spitting image of my great granddaddy. I don't know. I love you guys. We'll see you later.
She always said we should, saying it we shouldn't, but she always